Belgium is preparing to start partial domestic assembly of the AIM-120 AMRAAM air-to-air missile following a strategic agreement between American defense giant RTX and the Walloon arms manufacturer FN Herstal. This collaboration assigns FN Herstal responsibility for producing select missile components and handling the final assembly stages, marking a significant step toward strengthening Belgium's defense manufacturing footprint. The AIM-120 AMRAAM, an advanced radar-guided missile with beyond visual range capabilities, has become a cornerstone for Western fighter jets and is a crucial element in many ground-based air defense systems globally. The recent deal emerged after weeks of confidential negotiations and is closely tied to Belgium's acquisition of the Norwegian NASAMS air defense systems. FN Herstal will gradually ramp up production capabilities, with initial phases focusing on setting up facilities and training personnel before missile assembly can begin domestically. Meanwhile, Belgium plans to use missile reserves loaned from Poland to maintain operational readiness. This arrangement coincides with Belgium's confirmed order of 10 NASAMS batteries, 9 intended for Belgian defense and 1 allocated to Luxembourg, as part of a joint procurement alongside the Netherlands. The NASAMS purchase, valued at approximately €2.5 billion excluding missile costs, is a cornerstone of Belgium's comprehensive €36 billion defense modernization program aimed at meeting NATO's capability standards. The NASAMS system deploys the AIM-120 missile, originally designed for air-to-air combat but adapted in the 1990s for ground launches. First introduced in 1991 as a successor to the AIM-7 Sparrow, the AMRAAM missile uses active radar homing, inertial navigation, and fire-and-forget technology. Surface-launched versions can engage targets up to 160 kilometers away and at altitudes above 35 kilometers. Deployed widely across NATO members, NASAMS batteries protect critical infrastructure and have demonstrated effectiveness in conflict zones. For instance, Ukrainian NASAMS units reportedly destroyed nearly 900 airborne threats by early 2025, showcasing a 94% interception success rate. This initiative responds partly to domestic political concerns over Belgium's limited industrial involvement in major defense projects like the F-35 fighter program. Critics from parties such as CD&V and Les Engages have highlighted the drawbacks of relying solely on foreign assembly, pushing for greater national participation. The FN Herstal RTX deal addresses these issues by granting Belgian industry a direct role in missile assembly, although key components like propulsion systems and seeker heads remain under foreign control, predominantly US and Norwegian suppliers. Globally, AMRAAM production has surged since 2022, driven by increased demand, especially due to stock transfers to Ukraine. RTX's production capacity reached about 1,200 missiles annually in 2024 and is projected to double by 2025, catering to both US and Allied needs. Major European nations, including Germany and Poland, have placed substantial orders, reflecting the missile's critical role in both air and ground-based defense systems. Belgium's agreement exemplifies a NATO trend toward localized production and diversified supply chains to reduce dependency risks and bolster member states' defense industries. Japan, for example, began licensed AMRAAM production in 2024, indicating growing international assembly efforts. The AMRAAM family includes several variants, with the AIM-120C and AIM-120D models dominating current production. The latest versions feature enhancements such as two-way data links, GPS navigation, and improved jamming resistance. Raytheon continues to develop extended-range versions and derivatives for various defense roles, while the newer AIM-260 JATM missile is under development as a future replacement, though AMRAAM production will persist through the decade. Belgium's renewed focus on ground-based air defense aligns with NATO's broader strategic imperatives and national military upgrades. The NASAMS contract is part of a €4 billion budget dedicated to land defense systems. Successful deployment will require investments in personnel training, infrastructure, and munitions stockpiles. The Belgian Ministry of Defense has confirmed funding arrangements for 2025 through interim revenue and debt issuance, with longer-term financial plans pending. Cooperation with Norway and the Netherlands is expected to extend into operator training and system maintenance, reinforcing NATO interoperability. By integrating missile assembly domestically, Belgium seeks not only to enhance its defense capabilities but also to stimulate its defense industrial sector. FN Herstal's new role in the AMRAAM program may pave the way for further industrial participation in upcoming procurement projects, reflecting a strategic alignment between military modernization and national economic interests.